There's one right there. There's one out here. You can't go in these.
The camcorder, and we're going out here to check and see if it's snowing now. Today is the 29th of There's Tammy and Aaron and Stephanie and Sheena. Where did they go? Oh no, you naughty thing. Naughty thing. Put down ice down my back. There's Laura. She has a sore throat. She's out here playing with. Oh, it's cold.
Oh God, Tammy, look at your bed. Shower. Yeah, we gonna. Oh, I did this.
Just remember, what goes around comes around.
Come here.
Just remember, what goes around comes around.
Tammy. My bad.
I got it all down my back.
Get off my back. No, you don't have butt much. Yeah, I've been working at snowball.
Just
This is your house, your trailer park. You better go get up for that. They we went to Santee.
They're on the interstate going toward Asheville. Go away, Sheena.
It looked like a log. Oh, I bet that should be good. They have one with like a log cabin. They said that to get out here. That's what you said. We went to Santee the other day and they had a
Misty.
oh, they had a board right there.
It's so cold.
I know. Yeah, right. It's really a problem, probably.
Laura, let's go.
Hey, people. The wonderful winter wonderland of, where are we? Does anybody know?
I think we're on our way to Asheville.
How do you zoom this?
Reagan,
You can't zoom?
Focus. Right there at the bottom of that button right there.
Right there, by the date
Don't
button.
touch it.
No, you should be able to zoom.
Focus.
Laura.
I think it was over the summer.
Are you zooming this thing?
Front floor, oh my god.
Visiting everyone in the van.
Yeah, they he lost it.
Eric. What was that?
Snowball. How do you tell it's snowball?
Alright, Steve.
Y'all look at the cows down there.
The moon.
Oh, look at the tractor. Did you hear him?
Yeah. Please don't tell me that hurt. That better not have showed up on here. Why? We are not exactly at 1:09 a.m.
I know, that's what you asked me to change. That's what I changed.
I don't think so.
I didn't mean it like that.
Yeah, we got to open that window, baby. It's getting kind of warm back here.
Hey, Mr. Justin! Look! No, don't look. That'll be okay.
Yeah, look in the rearview mirror.
What's actually the girl on the way here?
Yeah.
Anna, we using the camera to show how people in the car. We're using the camera to scope out people in the car.
I'm getting it. Get a picture. Oh, God.
Look over here.
Oh, man.
That's the big one.
Let me do it.
Somebody's breath is kicking y'all.
Hey, Tammy, guess what?
What?
Ooh, who was that? Misty!
Misty!
Come here. Look here.
Sheena!
Who's that?
Aaron, you do realize the certain motion is playing?
Hold on.
Look at him!
Hey, Sheena! Sheena!
Look, now it's looking at her over line. It's looking at
Let me have my moment, okay?
you stop it. I hope you stop it before you start doing that.
No, it's on stop. Look here, I make sure I got a good view of it. It's not on.
Right there,
you doing? We are approximately 50 miles from Asheville.
50 miles off foot. Hey, we're 6 miles from Florida.
See the mile marker? There you go.
Look, they have horses out there.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Just look at that winter wonderland.
Sing for me. Look at that wonderland. Golly gee.
There's Ashley. I mean, damn, I keep thinking her name's Ashley. Tammy, you don't need to be cussing like that.
I didn't do it. We're going to have to edit it.
I ain't lying.
Ashley.
Look at that she girl. Keep looking back here. How old are you, Sheena? Tell me for the camera. Look into the camera and tell me how old you are.
Oh, we can roll that in. Alright.
Dang. Oh, watch it, y'all. Yeah. He smiled at me. Oh, man.
Look at that house! Aaron's trying to videotape over to Jack. Hey, real cool.
Uh-oh, Hardy.
Oh, that's cute.
Tammy, look at that dude behind us.
Look, it's our... Oh, he's on a railroad track. No, it's not. That's just tires on Laura's asking to hold it. Oh, God.
You're a proverb.
Cut it off, Aaron.
Why?
Hit the red button. It's recording everything you hit the red button.
Huh?
Hit that red button. Bam!
Here, y'all quit bugging me.
No, I haven't. I was about to say, make sure it's off. Oh, and Aaron, you didn't even pause it. Dang. Pick it up. We have enough picture of everybody.
I ain't got no pictures of me.
Anna, if this is what you did all the way down the road, this is going to be one boring film.
I know, right? Thank you, Lord.
I got the cow.
Y'all see enough here. I just want to bring it to everybody's attention that's watching this video that this is snow.
Real snow.
Oh, man. Dead dog over there covered in snow.
This is the students filming.
No problem.
This is Aaron that has
Supposed to be upside down.
it will. Misty!
You want to be upside down?
Sorry.
Hey, do the west side thing for him. Our doorstep.
Where's the other one?
Leaving out the window. Horses!
Where?
I haven't seen him in a while. And then we have the west side. What's the east side? What's the east side? Oh, they're on camera? Oh.
Represent.
And our West Coast buddy. I want to pay the Yeah. Sir. Not unless you want to count the coke. Let me see the camcorder.
Can you wait a little while?
No, I gotta change the date on it. That's why I gave it to me.
Okay. I can do that. I'm smarter.
Let's do it.
Why you need to change the date on it? You can do that later. Are we gonna get to watch this when we get back?
Weather's there. We're going to look at the weather. Slow down, really.
In the Great Smoky Mountains. We need some information.
Y'all do get attractive.
A tourist. On his way.
If you can get snow, if you almost throw snow off your head.
Make sure when you get to the end, don't grind that okay. When you focus in and focus out. Pick your thing out, girl. Thing gonna get wet. What's your name? Sheena's backpack.
Sheena,
At the
Aaron.
she. No, don't do that no more. I don't feel like doing that.
Hey, Aaron.
Don't mess with me.
Aaron!
Oh God.
No, I gotta be nice.
Seriously, now don't be dumb. Quit now.
Don't be dumb.
Justin, our guide, going to find some information. Smiles for the camera, Justin. Oh shit.
Where are you going? Oh, nigga, what?
Where's the downhill slope? Oh shit. People playing in the snow. Here we are on our ESPN, the World Snowball Boat. No, get that on the camera. Let's go! We gotta go get our inner tube blown up. Did you guys get those gloves? It looks like everybody got them, huh? Okay, great. Watch it, Stephanie. Ah, don't. Come on, let's go get our inner tube going. Now don't get too cold, Stephanie. Let's go.
Justin his crazy self.
Hey.
Hello. What's up? I know, right? There's Annabelle. Anna got
Y'all had to fill the head.
Uh-uh.
Crap, I forgot what Marie.
No hat, Tammy. I ain't got one.
When we get to our destination, I'll film some. 99 bottles of beer on the wall, 99 bottles of beer.
A good Christian song.
98 bottles of beer on the wall, 98 bottles of beer on the wall, 98 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around, 97 bottles of beer on the wall, 97 bottles of beer on the wall, 97 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around, 96 bottles of beer on the wall, 96 bottles of beer on the wall, 96 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around, 95 bottles of beer on the wall, 95 bottles of beer on the wall, 95 bottles of beer. Take one down,
Misty getting frustrated.
95 bottles of beer on the wall.
Misty out there getting frustrated. She doesn't like the beer song. She'd rather have the song about reefer.
Pass it around, 93 bottles of beer on the wall, 93 bottles of beer on the wall, 93 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it along, 90 bottles of beer on the wall, 90 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around, 89 bottles of beer on the wall, 89 bottles of beer on the wall, 89 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 88 bottles of beer on the wall. 88 bottles of beer on the wall. 88 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 87 bottles of beer on the wall. 87 bottles of beer on the wall. 87 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 86 bottles of beer on the wall. 86 bottles of beer on the wall. 86 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 85 bottles of beer on the wall. 85 bottles of beer on the wall. 85 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 84 bottles of beer on the wall. 84 bottles of beer on the wall. 84 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 83 bottles of beer on the wall. 83 bottles of beer on the wall. 83 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 82 bottles of beer on the wall. 82 bottles of beer on the wall. 82 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass 81 bottles of beer on the wall. 81 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 79 bottles of beer on the wall. 79 bottles of beer on the wall. 79 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 78 bottles of beer.
Window art
77 bottles
by Tammy Jackson.
77 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 76 bottles of beer on the
The
wall.
mountains are beautiful.
76 bottles of beer on the wall. 76 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 75 bottles of beer on the wall. 75 bottles of beer on the wall. 75 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 74 bottles of beer on the wall. 74 bottles of beer on the wall. 74 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 73 bottles of beer on the wall. 73 bottles of beer on the wall. 73 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 72 bottles of beer on the wall. 76. Take one down, pass it around. 71 bottles of beer on the wall.
Leave y'all said.
71 bottles of beer on the wall. 71 bottles of beer. Deer crossing. Take one down, pass it around. 70 bottles of
What a
beer.
Tammy crossing.
70 bottles of beer on the wall. 70 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 79 bottles of beer on the wall. 69 bottles of beer on the wall. 69 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 68 bottles of beer on the wall. 68 bottles of beer on the wall. 68 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 67 bottles of beer on the wall. 67 bottles of beer on the wall. 67 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around.
I'm pointing everybody and explaining everybody. Tammy Jackson, a window painter, Anna Ziegler, very sophisticated. Laura, what's your last name? Laura Top. She's good at baseball and has braces. Sheena, she just along for the ride.
64 bottles of beer.
Stephanie, what's good about her? She's plays the dolls. Sheena and Misty, they're twins. Eminem.
63 bottles of beer. 63 bottles of beer. There's the fun hall.
Everybody's got one.
61 bottles of beer around. 59 bottles of beer on the wall. 59 bottles of beer on the wall. 59 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 58 bottles of beer on the wall. 58 bottles of beer on the wall. 58 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 57 bottles of beer on the wall. 57 bottles of beer on the wall. 57 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 56 bottles of beer on the wall. 56 bottles of beer on the wall. My ears are popping. Take one down, pass it around. 55 bottles of beer on the wall. 55 bottles of beer on the wall. 55 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 54 bottles of beer on the wall. 54 bottles of beer on the wall. 54 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 53 bottles of beer on the wall. 53 bottles of beer on the wall. 53 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 52 bottles of beer on the wall. 52 bottles of beer on the wall. 52 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 51 bottles of beer on the wall. 51 bottles of beer on the wall. Where are we from?
He got quiet all of a sudden. Walkers. Those dumb people.
50 bottles of beer on the wall. 50 bottles of beer.
Ooh, look at the icon.
Where?
49 bottles of beer on the wall. 49 bottles of beer on the wall. 49 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 48 bottles of beer on the wall. 48 bottles of beer on the wall. 48 bottles of beer.
12 stupid Christians going to the mountains. Damn, never stop.
39
They're following us. They're following us.
How is this? Make a wish.
Misty, look what happened. Them beautiful, sexy eyes.
Stop. Get that crap off me. We're going
Man, this dude over here looking at me.
All through the night for the one. Light the fire. Girl, boy, you
Hey, Tammy, can you hand me my sweater and my sweater cap?
I commit to your demand. I will
Man, I swear to God, this dude is...
anything.
Ooh. Where'd he go? Hi.
Take one down, pass it around. 22 bottles of beer on the wall. 22 bottles of beer on the wall. 22 bottles of
Look at all the snow coming on me, y'all.
Take one down, pass it around. 21 bottles of beer on the wall. 21 bottles of beer on the wall. 21 bottles of beer.
Pink is shit. Pink gets me high.
Take one down, pass it around. 30 bottles of beer on the wall. 12 bottles of beer on the wall. 12 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass
Time for Misty's medicine.
11 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around.
Where would we be without Justin?
10 bottles of beer.
Our trustworthy guy.
Take one down.
What's that in your hand, young man? Is that a brew? We're looking for it. Put it back.
9 bottles of beer. 9 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 8 bottles of beer on the wall.
We're looking for a good hill to slide off of.
8 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 7 bottles of beer on the wall. 7 bottles of beer on the wall. 7 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 7 bottles. 6 bottles of beer. Bottles of beer on the wall. Oh no, we can't make it on the beer. We're gonna slide 5 bottles of beer.
Look at where we're going up,
Take
y'all.
one down, pass it around. 3 bottles of beer on the wall. 3 bottles of beer on the wall. 3 bottles of beer. Take one down.
Hurry up, we're almost in the hill.
2 bottles of beer on the wall. 2 bottles of beer on the wall. 2 bottles of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 1 bottle of beer on the wall. 1 bottle of beer on the wall. 1 bottle of beer. Take one down, pass it around. 2 bottles of beer on the wall.
No bottles.
This is very due. Here's your rope.
Oh, we right here. Justin, y'all drunk by now. I'm in beer.
Somebody say how steep that is.
No hitting Aaron, please. I got the recorder.
This is a highway?
Quit. Quit now. I got the tape recorder. That is beautiful. And do a snowman? Oh shit. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he is Anna Ziegler. Oh! What you gonna do now?
Stop the glove.
Hey, I'll throw it off the mountain. You go get it, alright?
You must be stupid.
Just get. Please don't. Oh! Shit. Who wants to hold this? Oh shit.
Hey, man. Tammy, you're beautiful.
Oh.
Alright, stop her.
God.
Quit now.
God, you're a little devil.
Oh, I missed. I had to miss the snowball there, people. Little sister.
I'll push you. Yeah, you'll have to jump. I'll push you. You believe me?
Alright, Aaron, let's go. Let's go, Aaron.
Oh.
Who just done that? Sheena hurt me head. Y'all are hitting me with a snowball. Tammy got me all up in my face. Tammy. There's Mr. Justin. Go ahead, Mr. Justin.
Laura has it.
Aaron.
She's up there. I think.
Two men have to do things. It's Mr. Nate's husband. Look at there. Have fun.
Hey!
Water. There she goes.
Let me see.
There she goes.
Oh God, I'm so scared.
You look down.
You did? What'd you do?
Slid down the hill and busted my ass from Robert.
How about you?
I didn't go down the hill. I'm not going down in these jeans.
Why not?
Because they're too
My apron
is frozen.
Hey, why don't you put them on the phone? Did you have fun?
I didn't do anything. I just record y'all being dumb.
Stephanie, you need to go down?
Nope. I recorded y'all being dumb.
Misty, did you have fun?
Yeah, I'm gonna get this trash out my
Yeah,
house.
but she didn't get Tammy fall out, did her too?
Oh, that could have been America's Funniest Home Videos there.
Good one for me.
That's game, dude. That ain't 2 points.
Sheena, you had fun?
We gotta build a snowman.
That's so nice. What? Actually, that's so nice.
Yeah,
Shake
Mr.
your
Justin,
head.
we gotta build a snowman.
Yeah, you got to be a snowman where we're going down this big
Build a snowman and like knock it over.
big old church yard, that'd be the place.
There's one right there.
It's somebody's driveway.
Like a football, a football
I can actually feel my feet again. Hey, what about that one?
You can?
Somebody's
Come
driveway.
out to the road.
Laura,
That'd be the dangerous thing.
you have fun?
Hey, Aaron,
What'd
watch
you
out
do?
for that car, Luke.
Slid. On the
You didn't
tire.
fall.
Chevy chase.
You didn't fall, did you?
No,
So you
I
went.
didn't.
Alright. Oh.
Tryon. What do you think here?
The thing, I got a feeling if you go right. Look at there. I got a feeling if you go right.
No, I think so. So you're going uphill or left?
Getting off the beaten path too far.
Nothing wrong with that.
We're gonna get real. Oh man,
This is
that'd
a
be
one-way,
hill.
man.
That'd be the hill right there, man.
I know.
Let's go do it. This is like a one-way. No, it isn't.
Are those trees over there?
We got if we
You had to go out of the
found
ground.
we gotta find a high school or something. They'll have a bunch of big old hills.
No.
Found their roof.
Yeah.
They got a tree and they got it ran over. There's a picnic area.
There you go down and hit the water.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I can't believe those people actually said just as long as you share the two.
This van is a good snow vehicle. It's real heavy.
Hey!
We didn't too.
We weren't in it.
Oh, that was the drive?
When we did that first one.
Where your treasure is.
Go to the orchard here.
Bed and breakfast.
Oh, look at
Back to the hill.
Mama, we went way back from Charlotte. We made that
Oh man, if there's no the beeping say.
I don't know.
Oh, snap. Oh, God. Don't be afraid when that snow from up there.
If you had a good part, that'd be awesome.
Oh, that's one right there.
That's the business of that hill.
Don't get no further than this. You might want to shut up.
Now where are these guys sledding? Down that hill right there? We can go sled with them.